Hi, this is Alan Smith, and we're in Plant City, Florida. This is October the 18th, 2013, in front of the train viewing platform in Plant City, Florida. This is a progress report number 11. Behind me is now the first floor of the tower is almost complete. The second story will be going up above it probably next week, hopefully, and we'll see more progress going on. There's a lot of brick here that's going to be laid on the outer foundations of the platform and on the wall structure.